welcome to our channel 1 to Step, where we post tutorial videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your deleted story on TikTok. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. Before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, just subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So the first step which I will tell you is to check your gallery. So TikTok has this setting which means that whenever you upload a video or story on TikTok, it's going to be automatically downloaded and saved in your gallery. So in my case, I had that feature, so when I got my story deleted, I just went back to my gallery and checked over here, and as you guys can see, my story backup was available over here. So in your case, you might have turned on that setting by default because the download feature is on by default, so make sure to check your gallery if the video is available on your gallery or not. But let's say you didn't have that save feature on and the video is not available in your gallery. Well, in that case, what you can do is just click on the three line at the top and go on versus settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, go on versus account, and inside account, the second last option, download your data, click on it. Once you click on download your data, you want to click on versus request data at the bottom. So in my case, I have just requested a data from TikTok. That's why it's saying processing request, but in your case there should be a request data option. Click on it, and over here make sure you choose the TXT format. Alright, do not choose the JSON format, make sure it's on TXT, and you can click on request data and the data will be requested. Once the data is requested, after 4 days, you want to come back to this download data section, and this time instead of request data, you want to be on the download data section, which is at the top, and the data will be available over here and you can download it and you can see the story. But this thing is only going to work if you did this within 24 hours. Let's say my story was deleted and after 24 hours I tried this method, then it's not going to work. In that case, you cannot do anything because story gets deleted after 24 hours. So after 24 hours you cannot do anything to recover them. But if it's within 24 hours, you can follow the step which I just showed you, so you guys can recover your deleted TikTok story. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. I will see you guys next time.